In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace site name. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your site title to better reflect your online presence, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to Squarespace, your go-to platform for website building. Head over to your browser and log in to your Squarespace account. Once you've successfully logged in with your credentials, you're going to arrive at the dashboard, which serves as the control panel for all your website settings and designs. As you land on the dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Site, and go ahead and give it a click. This will direct you to the editor interface where you can make all your necessary website alterations. Now we want to focus on the header area of your site, which typically contains your site's name or logo. Hover your cursor over the header section, and you should see an option pop up that says Edit Site Header. Click on that option. This is your gateway to changing the site name. Directly within the site header, you should see your current site title or logo. Click on it, and you'll notice a pencil icon appearing for editing purposes. This icon is your friend for the day. Click it to open the editing field. At this point, the site title text field will become editable. Now is your chance to type in the new name that you want your website to represent. Make sure it's catchy and reflects the nature of your content or business to connect better with your audience. Once you've carefully typed your desired website name, it's crucial to save the changes. Look around the interface for a Save button. This button is often located in the top left corner of the editor. If it isn't immediately visible, you might have to navigate back a bit and find the Save option, ensuring that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Squarespace site name. With these simple steps, your website's new name should now be live, helping you better brand your online presence. Enjoy exploring the freedom your new site name brings to your digital journey. If you encounter any issues or have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Squarespace's support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.